solve 3 by 3. They're called 3 by 3. 3 by 3 because it's like 3 across and 3 down. Without looking because they're a blindfold on, yeah? Now I'm going to try to do something much harder than that. Now that's called a 3 by 3, as I said, because it's 3 across and 3 down. Now in this bag, I've got something called a 7 by 7. It's in here. You can have a look at it if you want, but I mean, might hurt your eyes. Yeah. Complicated cube. It's hard. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to solve the cube. Is that impressive?
Yeah.
Don't look impressive. Let's want to mix up the cube. We're going to mix up the cube. All you got to do is you just got to do that over and over again, like that. Okay. Okay. So all you need to do is I want you to do that. Take it, mix. Perfect. Right, you're going to do that over and over again. Right. Now, you didn't look impressed when I said you're going to solve the cube, 7 by 7, even though it's hard to do. So, I'll get someone to pick a card while I'm waiting. Yeah. Got the patchy card. Right, now I need someone to say stop again. Izzy, say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
There. Look at the card and remember it. You got it? See that card? Everyone sees that card, yeah? Yeah? Got it? Right. That goes around about the middle again, so I don't know what card it is, okay? And then that goes in the deck, like that. Right. Now you've been mixing the cube the whole time, yeah? Now I'm just going to quickly take that cube back and square it up. Now you're happy that this is mixed, yeah? Mixed cube, square it up. Right. Right, anyway. Got the bag. So I said I'm going to solve the 7 by 7, and you didn't look impressed, so what I'll do is I'll solve the 7 by 7 in less than 10 seconds. Okay. Solve the 7 by 7 in less than 10 seconds without looking. Solve the 7 by 7 in less than 10 seconds without looking. How do I make it harder?
One hand.
Yeah, one hand. There you go. Oh my God. Who said that? I just said I'm going to do it, so I've got to do it now. Right, okay. So, I'm going to get you all to count to 10. When I say go, you're all going to count to 10, and I'm going to try to solve the cube. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
When I say go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now the thing is, you picked the card, didn't you? What was the card? 8 of cards. Yeah, 8 cards. Yeah? 8 of cards. Okay. Alright, see this? I had a bit of extra time. And I did this. The 8.